Hey guys.
Hey guys!
Today we're making a video of these blocks.
They're called Picasso tiles and they're pretty darn cool, right?
Yeah, we played with these at the library before.
Yes, they have them at our local library and I'm working with this company. And we are reviewing these because they're super cool and we really like them. We've been playing with them all day. We have a whole bunch of guests here. So this box comes with 60 3D magnetic tiles, okay? So basically, Oliver, can you show me how they work?
Yeah. So you put them on the side or on like here-ish.
Here-ish.
Anywhere you want and they'll connect.
All right, and you can build all sorts of really cool 3D buildings.
Yeah, even houses.
Even houses, right?
Yeah. Ellie, why didn't you show me how to build one?
Show me how to build one.
Okay, like do this. This can be the base of the house, basic house, and we can do this and do this, and we can do this and do this. And I made a house. You can make a house however you want, and it can look however you want. And it's really cool.
So the best part about these is that they come with enough that if you have a house full of children, everybody gets a bunch of them and they can make whatever they'd like. Sorry for all the noise, but you know, hey, it's a kid's video. You get it, you get it. So Oliver, which is your favorite piece? Could you show me your favorite shapes?
I like the triangles and the big pieces.
Yeah, those are lots of
triangles.
Can you show them what you built here?
And not until I put this on the bottom.
Okay.
And this is my rocket ship.
Oh, that is super cool. I like
and look
that.
At the bottom.
Oh my goodness, I love that so much. That's super neat.
And look at these. These are actually different.
Yeah. So what's really cool about these also is that they get kids thinking spatially. You can build cubes and 3D objects,
Yeah.
which is really neat.
Yeah.
I'm going to link down below to my full review. I will also link to Picasso tiles so you can check them out. They do have a whole bunch of different products.
Yeah, we might sell some of these to you.
We might sell some. Well, hey, I hope we do. I hope you go buy some. So anyway. I'm being summoned. All right, thank you guys. I'll see you next time.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.